Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back, an old man in the land of grills. That's right, we're gonna try, well, we are going to sear some steaks on the Masterbuilt 1050 Gravity Series charcoal grill tonight. Folks, you saw me once upon a time, not long ago. In fact, I'll leave the link down below to the seared steak we did on the Char-Griller Gravity. And it's just like the Masterbuilt, there's some differences. And I have grill grates for this. But this one over here, the Masterbuilt, comes with cast iron grates. And we really, in my opinion, don't need grill grates to get a good sear on the Masterbuilt. So we're gonna fire it up, get it good and hot. And I've got a real chuck steaks today. And you're saying chuck steaks, never heard of that. A lot of people call it the butcher's cut. It's not ribeye, it's not strip steak, it's not porterhouse, it's not T-bone, chuck steak. And if you haven't seen these, or if you do see them, folks, I'll encourage you right now to pick them up. We're gonna take a look at our chuck steaks. We're gonna get this thing fired up good and hot, charcoal, and see how she does. All right, folks, just to give you a look-see here. 700 is tops on this grill. I started at 650 because I didn't want it to overshoot. But the controller on the Masterbuilt has been redone a couple times. There's a couple different firmware updates. If you get one of these grills, make sure you do all the firmware updates. I think they're up to firmware update, hard to say, number 3. And as you can see, I got a set 650, and she's dialing herself right in. The lid is just a little bit below 650. I got plenty of smoke, I don't know why, coming out of the lid. I had that sealed up tight. I got aluminum foil underneath there, and for some reason today, I've got plenty of smoke coming out of there. You can see where the fire is right through there. So, and if you're wondering, if you're looking at that shelf going, Tom, I got a 1050, you don't have a shelf like that. Klote's Mods. So Klote's Mods, I'll leave the link down below. The guy does a great job. That front shelf, super simple, stainless steel. He also makes, if you haven't seen this vent in the back, this is pretty cool because it closes and it opens like that. So pretty neat. Klote's Mods, check him out. I'll leave a link down below. We're gonna get this, this is about a minute or two, dial itself in. You can see we're at 652, and then we'll take the thermal, take a temp, and then we're gonna sear some steaks. Yeah, I'm getting hungry. All right, so there's our chuck steak, folks. I got this over a week ago. Saw them in the grocery store. I didn't, had something else going on that day, but when I see them, I pick them up. And I actually sealed and froze these. And before I did, I put some of this farm frozen. Folks, you see me using this all the time. If you like pepper, this stuff is for you. Check those guys out, Farm Pro 7. And then, yeah, a little bit of Boar's Night Out, White Lightning, double garlic butter. Yeah, on steak, folks. Oh, man, it's going to be so good. So we'll give you a look-see. It shouldn't take long for the Masterbuilt 1050. I've got it right now at 500. Once it gets to 500, I'm going to set to 700. And then we're going to take a look at some temperatures on the cast iron. And then we're going to sear these up. Oh, man. All right, you can see, even the lid agrees. We're at 650. And, you know, I've given Masterbuilt a little bit of crap because this is what they put on this grill. Smoke barbecue grill sear. I mean, that's a joke. So I replaced it with this one from Gallifier, and that's not expensive. It's not one of these really expensive ones. It's this one right here. I'll leave the link down below. In my opinion, it works very well. And the evidence of that is that this agrees with what is on there. So you know, for the price, it's relatively inexpensive. I'll tell you what, let's take our thermal. See what we got going on in there. It's plenty hot. Yeah, look at that. Almost 700. Grill level. Even way over on the side. 551. Yeah, that's ready for some steak. Give you a look-see. All right, let's get our steaks on. Oh, man, I'll tell you what. Smoking hot. Yeah, and you know it. Give you a look-see as we proceed. All right, folks, let's take a look. We did 1 minute, and now we've done almost 2 minutes at 650. I got a lot of people who tell me that these dial indicators don't recover quick. folks, it says 650. It's 650, and I had the lid open, so I think that's pretty cool. This Gallifier does a very, very nice job. It is hot. Let's take a quick look. See, are you watching? Oh yeah, that's a seared steak right there. Holy smokes! Yeah, really, really, really nice. We'll do the same thing, maybe 2 and 2. Give you a look-see. Once again, set to 650, and that dial indicator reacts very fast. And our digital says 652. I'll tell you what, let's, yeah, now we got some flames. Looking good, looking muddy good. All right, folks. Here's the final product. I'll tell you what, medium rare right there. I mean, that's not with, this on the 1050 cast iron, no grill grates. Absolutely delicious. Oh man. I mean, look at that. That's medium rare all day long on the Masterbuilt 1050, folks. Does this sear steak better than the Char-Griller 980? Oh, yeah. In my opinion, yes, it does. Because in order to do it on 980, you got to add grill grates. And I'll tell you what, the 1050, the Masterbuilt, whether it be the 560, the 800, or the 1050, they come with the cast iron grates, and they do a great job, folks. Tom Horsman on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this. Thumbs up. Leave a comment. Hey, what are your thoughts? Which one does sear better, the Char-Griller or the Masterbuilt? Let me know.